popcorn makers.
Shame. Shame.
I'm a fan of aftermarket exhaust. Before people beat up and thumb me down in your car, I don't know if it's as bad on the video. The exhaust to me is so loud to the point where it just sounds like an appliance. Another Mustang. Although this exhaust actually, see, now that's a nice exhaust. See, that's, yeah, the 911R though is a favorite. Such a pure, yet also throwback car. Yeah, it looks like an appliance. I think it's interesting. Even Chevy is making the Bolt and the Volt now, but to see these Chevys next to the Tesla, it's kind of like a throwback to the past, and then it's kind of like what's unfortunately probably the future, thanks to emission regulations. I still believe the hybrid cars, like the one Porsche is making, the fun hybrids are kind of the way to go. But what a beautiful car. Oh wow, they actually have the screen on still. That's cool. Beautiful interior there. Is this yours?
No.
Oh. Well, dolls. Okay. Pretty cool car. I haven't necessarily seen at the show before. It's the bi-turbo. These things are pushing incredible horsepower in the S variant. Very nice. This back though, what do you guys think? Oh, this is the 43 version. Oh. But still, very nice car. Pretty cool. Classic. It's a Volkswagen van or bus, as everyone corrects me. I don't know if every Volkswagen is by definition called a bus instead of a van, but this is exactly like the one Vehicle Virgins drove, except that thing was just more modded out, I think. I don't know. I don't know much about classic cars, I'll be the first to admit. Let me know if you know in the comments. So cool though. Everybody's talking about the Model X's. Which was kind of surprising to me. You got some nice Mitsubishi here, and then all these, and then again, just like earlier, a Jag. Yeah, people are starting to head out. Here's another Viper heading out. Very nice car. Who's young guy? You look like a nice guy. Don't kill yourself. As well as beautiful Shelby. Has all these business cards on it. I'm promoting my YouTube channel that way. Like, part of me feels it's tacky, but I don't know, part of me feels no self-promotion is. Let's go grab this part now, because we mostly got that first part there. That's what you've seen thus far. So now onto that, and later, but this now. Let's do it. See? That's nice. That's a nice paint job there. It looks interesting at least. Almost getting run over. I'm so easily distracted. Look at the candy store here. I'm thinking based on how it's boxed in, this was like a loaner car for the BMW dealer. Here before the show. Alright. And then so this is all just BMWs. I kind of lied about how copious it was, but this, so they just squished all their cars. Free show. I don't know if it's the same guy, in all fairness. It might be like several guys. but makes the show, like, I love the sounds and smells of exhaust. I've commented on that before. Smart car. Smart car next to a Jeep.
Taking it all in, like my car will what do I do?
I have to drive one of these 240, even some of the newer Nissans, 350s, 370s. They were good. They were pure. They were good performance, good power. I hear these are mostly drift monsters, though.
Did you see it for sale?
Such variety. Such variety. Love it. Not gonna film there because I don't want any more damage to my hearing. So I'm gonna go grab these imports instead. The funny is, even if you take a very basic car like this guy and stance it and put stickers on it, okay, this is really cool. That is actually probably the neatest thing ever. This is a Toyota Tercel with Honda rims. Loving this car. It's just hilarious. Honda rims, chalkboard roof. Slam because I'm scared of heights. On a Toyota, I think Tercel. Dog's enjoying the show. Let's go conquer this area now. I'm gonna start down there. I just work my way back. Hopefully Supercar Row is cleared out of people, but not of cars. That's an RS. Is it? Is it? No, it's an ST. I like the hatchback though. It's so cool. One here. Ooh, this is pretty cool. I love these cars. Like, the driver so matches the car, and that's a good thing. Very cool. Young car fans anymore. Look at that little baby. He's loving this. So I know we're in Texas. So pretty much when you're 16, you get like an F-150, a Mustang. My gosh. My cousin actually has a Mustang in his car when he got it turned 16. Not a GT or an EcoBoost, one of the older. Actually, it might be a GT. I don't know, but my God, the Mustangs here, if you know which one's his. So this one's cool. These actually are a great deal. You can pick these up, mod them. Don't know how the handling is, but I think if we fully switched out the suspension and did enough mods, it can handle pretty well. Very nice. Oh boy. Mustang exhaust off. Please turn down your speakers or headphones. You use your imagination. Let's just say it involves kids. We are moving at a quick pace. Sorry if any of these are your cars. They are just going to get a quick overview. Insert lotsy techno music here as we embark on the The kid is technically right. It is a Maserati with a Ferrari engine. now that Maserati is a separate company, it'll just be a matter of time before they develop their own engines. Please don't hit the Audi R8 10 Plus. That'd be two beautiful cars for today. Nice. I don't know much about trucks, I apologize. I know the Raptor's pretty cool. Dodge has a version of the Raptor that, although some people are like, oh, it's not gonna be as good, it's always good to have competition. Alright, the Jag is leaving. I do like the classic Jag. I've always, like, if I was buying with my own money, I think I'd get one of these over an Aston. Just because it's a very similar car. I know the Aston's nicer, but sorry about the music. Hope that doesn't give me a copyright violation. Payment GTS. I always struggle whether I should show stance cars, but it's popular, it's a thing. Not my cup of tea unless you just lower it to improve handling, which I don't think you technically call that stance, because stancing by definition means at or under the wheel arch and where you couldn't even really drive over a Starbucks cup or really like a couple of my fingers. So, although a lot of them have bags so you can raise them. I guess that's now that I'm a BMW owner and BMW is nice enough to put on the event, I feel obligated to show BMW Row. Some people are actually looking at this car. It is pretty nice. I like the twos. This is the newer version of my car. I'll be doing this is nice. I'm gonna assume this is a 228? 230, yeah. Up 230, 228 to 230. Then they made the 240 in case you don't keep up on your BMWs. Or exotic BMWs. Very cool car. I'm a fan of these. Now I can't tell if this is rebadged. People are grabbing a lot of pics of it, so maybe, I don't know, they did the rims too now. Nope, it's, oh, that's true. This is the first one of these I've seen in person, the tail light. And of course the new license plate.
Leniency here.
Yeah.
So we try to keep everybody behind the lines.
Oh, sorry.
That's all right.
Whoa. A great excellent video, by the way. Go check out Dutch Texan's channel or a bunch of other people who do that. I like to more get the cars in this show, but I know that you guys all dig this, so. All the traffic here, pretty great. RAV4. Oh, look at that. So much speed, I can't keep up. I can't keep up. Row of pickups. Welcome to Texas, guys. For those of you viewing not in the DFW area, even this show has lots of pickups. My worst nightmare has always been bringing a classic car to Cars and Coffee and then that. Maybe the tow truck sounds good then. Just kidding. Is that your grandma? Or your mom? Yeah. It's down to 2 now. So I'm just heading out, guys. Fun show though. Sorry the video is a little bit choppy. Next time, get there, you know, like 7 instead of 8. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Until next video, drive on.